Have you ever cleaned your throttle body thinking you're giving your engine a fresh breath of air, but ended up making it run worse than before? Yeah, what if I told you you might be slowly killing your engine every time you grab that throttle cleaner? Let's talk about the biggest mistakes people make when cleaning their throttle body, and how to do it the right way so your car runs smoother, not rougher. Because what most people don't realize is, that shiny metal part under your hood isn't just a piece of metal, it's the gateway to your engine's lungs, and one wrong move can mess up your idle, destroy your sensors, and even trigger that annoying check engine light. So before you spray another drop of cleaner, watch this till the end. It could literally save you hundreds of dollars in repairs. Mistake number 1 is spraying cleaner directly into the throttle body while it's running. It strips the thin oil film on your cylinder walls, and that means metal-on-metal contact. You're literally accelerating engine wear every time you do it. If you've ever heard your engine idle rough or sputter after cleaning, this is why. Instead, always turn off the engine first, open the throttle manually, and spray the cleaner on a microfiber cloth. Then gently wipe the plate and edges. That's it. No revving, no soaking. Mistake number 2, using the wrong cleaner. Not all throttle body cleaners are the same, you know. Some are actually designed for carburetors, which means they're way too harsh for modern electronic throttle bodies. Those older formulas can melt the delicate rubber seals, or worse, damage your throttle position sensor. So, check the label. Use non-chlorinated throttle body cleaner that's safe for electronic components. If your car's from 2005 or newer, this step is critical. Mistake number 3, forcing the throttle plate open. Modern cars use drive-by-wire throttles controlled electronically. When you push the plate open with your fingers, you risk breaking the internal gears or misaligning the motor. Once that happens, your car won't idle properly, and you'll see the dreaded P2101 or P2119 codes. Instead, if your car doesn't allow manual opening, just turn the key to the on position, without starting the engine. That usually lets the throttle plate move slightly. Use that gap to clean safely. Mistake number 4, forgetting to relearn idle. After cleaning, the computer's air-fuel settings are out of sync. That's why so many people complain, "My car idles weird after throttle cleaning." The fix? A simple idle relearn. Just turn your ignition on for about 10 seconds, then off for 10 seconds, then start the car and let it idle for about 5 minutes without touching anything. This allows the ECU to recalibrate the airflow and reset the throttle position. Skip this, and you'll feel like your car's possessed. Mistake number 5, cleaning too often. Throttle bodies don't need cleaning every oil change. Unless you're driving in really dusty conditions or you've got a bad air filter, cleaning once every 30,000 to 40,000 miles is honestly plenty. Overcleaning just wears out the coating that actually prevents carbon buildup in the first place. So if you're cleaning every few months, stop. You're actually doing more harm than good. Pro tip, if your car still idles rough after proper cleaning, the issue might not even be the throttle body. It could be a dirty mass airflow sensor or maybe a vacuum leak, so don't throw money at random parts, diagnose first. Here's the bottom line, cleaning your throttle body isn't a bad thing. It's actually a great maintenance step, but when it's done wrong, it's like giving your car CPR with dirty hands. You're supposed to help it breathe, not choke it. So, next time you feel like grabbing that cleaner, just remember a few things. Never spray while the engine's running. Always use the right cleaner. Don't force the plate open. And, relearn idle afterward. Your engine will thank you with smoother idles, better throttle response, and honestly, a longer life. And hey, if this video saved you from a costly mistake, return the favor by hitting that like button and subscribing to Gear Specs. We drop new car tips every week that'll save you money, time, and, yeah, frustration under the hood. Because the more you know about your car, the longer it'll take to die on you.